Hi creators, in this video I'll show you 11 public speaking tips that will help you become a better public speaker. Simply by wearing the right outfit, you'll drastically lower your presentation nerves. Because get this, when you know that the outfit that you're wearing is right for the speech that you're delivering, you'll instantly feel more confident and less anxious. And that means that you'll have more capacity to focus on delivering a truly great speech and connect with your audience. I'm John Ballmore, a style coach for professional creators. And here's my 11 tips for putting together the best speaking outfit now. Know the dress code. If you don't want to look like a fish out of water when you're in the spotlight, well, then you need to dress according to the dress code for your speech. And here are some ways that I use to determine the dress code for my clients. First off, we always check the invitation. If the invitation doesn't say anything, we ask the organizer. If the organizer can't help us, then we simply check with our co-presenter and audience and try to mirror their style. Tip 1. If the dress code is dressy and everyone's wearing a suit and tie, then a suit and tie is probably what we should wear too. If the dress code is casual and everyone's wearing sneakers, jeans and polo shirts and pullovers, then we should probably try to mirror their style. Get a feel for the environment. When you're holding a presentation, the last thing that you want to be is freezing, sweating or uncomfortable. So, what we need to do before our presentation is to always check what the environment is like at our venue. Tip 2. If it's an air-conditioned controlled theater, well, then the environment is probably cool enough for us to be able to wear lace-up shoes and layers. But if it's an outdoor event in the middle of the summer, well, then a pair of slip-on shoes and a polo shirt is probably a better solution. Make it personal. The most important thing to do when putting together a speaking outfit is to make it personal. Wearing a style on stage that isn't you is like holding a speech in a foreign language. It will make you insecure and anxious. If you like to wear sneakers, well, then wear sneakers if you can, instead of those new shoes that you're not sure if you like and you've never worn before. Tip 3. Tweak your existing style and favorite items to work with the dress code at the venue. Dress rehearsal. When you begin doing this, you're going to be surprised of how many details that you discover during dress rehearsal that needs correction. Maybe your shirt needs ironing, maybe your tie is on crooked, or perhaps the contrast and colors in your outfit isn't quite right. Tip 4. When you found an outfit that you like to wear, do a dress rehearsal in front of the mirror. Have enough contrast. A speaker's performance is by and large a reflection of the feedback from the audience. Great feedback means a great performance, while a silent crowd is every speaker's biggest fear. Luckily, a lack of feedback from the audience has often nothing to do with the speech. It could be that they don't hear you or that they don't see you. See if you can spot the problem here. Here, I'm wearing a light shirt in front of a light background. And here, I'm wearing a dark suit in front of a dark background. Now let's try to swap the backgrounds and see if you notice any difference. As you can see, not contrasting with the background is like cutting the power off of your microphone. The lack of contrast makes it hard to see you and will result in you losing valuable feedback from your listeners. Tip 5. Wear dark outfits in front of light backgrounds and light outfits in front of dark backgrounds. Mentally prepare yourself. One thing that overwhelmed me back when I started tweaking my outfits before speeches was this. Compliment I got on my outfits in the green room and on my way to stage. You see, I never had an appropriate comment on hand for the occasional appraisal or criticism. Oftentimes, I just blurted out something which really threw me off balance just as I was on my way to deliver my speech. Tip 6. Today I have a fail-safe and quick response on hand whenever someone hands me a well-meaning piece of criticism or a compliment on my outfit. It's thank you. Things take time. The last thing that you want to focus on when you're on stage is whether or not your outfit is on properly. That or the scuff marks that you just noticed on your shoes. Getting these wardrobe errors out of the way before your speech is vital. You'll feel more confident and less anxious about your outfit and stage presence. Tip 7. I never wait until the last minute to get dressed. I always make sure to be in my outfit and ready to go 30 minutes beforehand. Set things straight. I've already mentioned that ironing your shirts and pressing your pants is part of the presentation preparation, but this tip is so important that it's worth repeating. Wrinkles, they are basically bed hair for your clothes. They make you look late, rushed, and undisciplined. Tip 8. To connect and earn the respect of your audience, a crease-free outfit is a must. Wear clothes that fit. The easiest way to lose your audience with your style is to wear clothes that doesn't fit. Too short, too long, too tight, or too loose. There's many ways that your outfit can detract from rather than add to your stage presence. So if you find out that your wardrobe doesn't fit, here's what I do. Tip 9. I go to the tailor with clothes that are too big and I replace clothes that are too small. Start early. Most of us are wired to postpone things until the very last minute. For example, I'm guilty as charged, which is why I'm recording this video at 9 p.m. in the night, even though I have the whole day to do it. The problem with postponing a public speaking outfit like this is researching its dress code, sourcing the items for it, and addressing all the little errors that need correction. It all takes time. And I'm not talking hours. In most cases, we're talking days to get the proper outfit in order. Tip 10. I can say from hard-learned experience that you should start preparing for your presentation outfit at least 1 week in advance. Ask for feedback. Most professionals are notorious about spell-checking their messages before they hit the send button. Nonetheless, typos manage to get through the filter from time to time anyways. And let me tell you, it's not just messages where screw-ups slips through. Take me for example. I've done my dress rehearsal and I recorded myself wearing my speaking outfit. All good. Then I ask a good friend for a second opinion on my outfit, and without exception, they can find some detail in my outfit that I can optimize further. Tip 11. Always ask a friend for feedback on your final outfit. Now hopefully you've enjoyed these 11 public speaking tips. If you found the video helpful, be the cool person who lets me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And before you go, I'm curious. Which of the 11 tips in this video did you find the most helpful? Let me know which of the 11 tips that you liked in the comments. And also, if you have questions for me or topic suggestions, leave them there in the comment field too. I answer as many comments as I can.